Hello, I'm the Service Director for Children's Social Care. I've worked at the Council for almost 30 years, starting off as an instructor in adult mental health before becoming qualified as a social worker. For the last 23 years, I've worked in children's social care services. You might be thinking, why should I work in Nottinghamshire? Well, here in Nottinghamshire, we've made a promise to children and young people in our care. We're committed to improving life outcomes of all the children and young people in the county. Our vision is to give the most vulnerable children and young people the support and protection they need to be safe, secure, happy, and to achieve their full potential. Like all councils in the country, we've experienced an unprecedented increase in demand for our services. This has seen the numbers of looked after children increase by over 500. To manage this demand, we've developed a new operating model to better meet the needs of children and families. A good example of this is our development of a multi-agency safeguarding hub, or MASH, which is now one of the biggest in the country and covers all our key partners in children's services. We enjoy significant support from our politicians who have invested in our services and in our staff. Over the last 3 years, we have created over 100 new posts in children's social care. As a result of this ongoing investment, we are looking for social workers to be part of our team and join our exciting journey to develop our services for children and young people further. We have a number of permanent vacancies for qualified social workers, experienced senior practitioners and team managers. Successful candidates need to be committed to delivering good quality services to children and their families and show an ability to inspire, support and enable their colleagues. We're the 11th largest local authority in England, and Nottinghamshire is a diverse county, which will give you a diverse workload. There's also a great mix of countryside, historic areas, culture and vibrant urban centres, together with lots of affordable housing. Our location in the centre of England gives excellent transport links for commuting. In children's services, we have a supportive team environment with staff who feel valued. We use a workload management system for fieldwork social workers, and we provide excellent employee benefits. Nottinghamshire is a great place to live and to work. We look forward to your application to become one of our Nottinghamshire team. Thank you.
Hello, I'm a group manager in Nottinghamshire with responsibility for the through care service and fieldwork teams in the north of the county, including Newark and Bassetlaw. I've worked for the council for 6 years, starting as a children's service manager. I was attracted to Nottinghamshire as it is a diverse county with a clear plan for improving services to children and young people. Key to this is supporting staff to deliver the best service possible. Career pathways are clear and there are a wealth of opportunities for career and personal development. These include a well-established training programme, which is complemented by practice seminars delivered by our practice consultant team. Our practice consultant role allows experienced social workers to progress their careers without leaving frontline practice. In terms of management training, we support our first-line managers to undertake the Munro training programme and also offer a leadership development programme within the County Council. We have well-established links with both universities in Nottingham, and we are also participating in various research projects with the Department of Education, Loughborough and Nottingham universities. Working as a social worker is a challenging but very rewarding job, and we are seeking new staff to join us. We have vacancies in a range of our teams, including assessment and child protection teams, court service, disability services, and independent reviewing officers and child protection coordinators. We have vacancies for both frontline social workers and team managers, and we're looking for experienced, dynamic and committed candidates. In return for great people, we are offering an attractive benefits package and great career progression opportunities. This includes benefits like flexible working, good annual leave entitlement, family-friendly policies, work-life balance and competitive salaries. We are dedicated to supporting the continuous professional development of our social workers, supporting them to meet the demands of working with children and families with complex needs. We are particularly keen to recruit team managers to come and work in Nottinghamshire. I know that the role of the team manager is one of the most challenging posts in the service, and Nottinghamshire is committed to ensuring team managers are appropriately supported and developed. As you can see, we have vacancies in a range of our social work areas, and we are looking for experienced and enthusiastic social workers to become part of our Nottinghamshire team to improve the lives of our children and young people.
I'm a social work team manager for the court team. I became a team manager in 2008 for a children's services team. This involved managing cases that were child in need, child protection and subject to care proceedings. I have since then managed short-term child protection teams at the front end of the service, and in my current post I manage social workers who hold caseloads that are subject to care proceedings. I wanted to become a team manager because I'd been a social worker for 5 years and felt that the experience and knowledge I had gained meant that I would be well placed to manage other social workers and contribute to decision making that would achieve best outcomes for children. I was and still am committed to working with disadvantaged children and families, and particularly child protection. And given the combination of my academic background and practical experience, I felt the time was right to progress my career. I was committed to becoming a manager and to contributing to delivering an effective service. I completed my social work qualification and MA in September 2002 at Nottingham University. Following a short period of time working in a youth offending team, I obtained a social work post at Nottinghamshire County Council in January 2003. Throughout my time with Nottinghamshire, I have had opportunities for training and development, which have included post-qualified and postgraduate courses at Nottingham Trent University. These have led to the development of my career and increased my skills, knowledge and experience. I grew up in Newark, and although I moved away to go to university and lived and worked abroad for a number of years, I have returned to Nottingham to live and I'm passionate about the area. Nottingham has so much to offer in terms of sport, theatre, cultural diversity, and it is a particularly nice city to live in with a young family, with its extensive number of parks and recreational areas and events that take place throughout the year. I would encourage other social workers and team managers to come and work in Nottinghamshire County Council because it's an authority that is committed to making a difference to children and families. It has recently restructured and implemented changes to improve practice that have been effective and innovative. I've always been very proud to work for Nottinghamshire. They are committed to making differences in the lives of children and families and value the people they employ. I would encourage any social work professional to consider working for Nottinghamshire County Council and to be part of our future.
I'm a social worker in the Bassett Law District Child Protection Team, and I've worked there since July 2012. I joined the Assessed and Supported Year in Employment programme at the Council in September 2012. I found the programme very beneficial with training, a reduced workload, regular supervision and guidance from a mentor. It provided various support links with other ASYE participants. My experience of working in Nottinghamshire has been varied. I undertook my final university placement within the Ashfield District Child Protection Team and previously shadowed workers in our assessment team. The team I work with are all friendly, helpful and have a good range of knowledge and experience behind them that they are eager to share. We have a good management team who work well together and they are all approachable. I would really encourage other social workers to come and work for Nottinghamshire County Council. They are very supportive of staff development and offer opportunities for career advancement. Whilst I've been employed in the Bassett Law team, I found the learning and development opportunities very beneficial. It has helped me improve my skills and to specialise in specific assessments such as the AIMS assessment, which focuses on adolescent boys who sexually harm. I have also been part of a steering group looking at the levels of recording throughout the county and have created and delivered a training package that is available to the whole of Nottinghamshire Children's Social Care staff. I've been able to evidence training for the HCPC if needed when it comes to re-registration. The council have also paid for me to complete my consolidation module at university, formerly known as the PQ1, enabling me to become a more experienced worker. Nottinghamshire teams are made up of specialised teams such as child protection, looked after children, court work and children's disability service, which enable you to practice in the team you most enjoy and adapt your skills to that one area, whilst also being able to move to other teams if you wish. When I first decided to become a social worker, I wanted to be able to make a positive difference to children's lives and to be able to empower families to make a positive change. I have found that this has been possible to accomplish whilst working for Nottinghamshire County Council due to the resources on offer and the support and guidance available. Nottinghamshire is a diverse county and a great place to live and work with a vibrant city centre. Not only is Nottinghamshire famous for Robin Hood, it has a wealth of parks and open spaces and is home to the Nottingham Panthers ice hockey team. It is also the home of World Cricket at the Trent Bridge Cricket Ground. There are good transport links around the county, and we have the tram service, which is currently being extended to cover more of the county. Nottinghamshire County Council is a great place to work, so come and join us.